We are producing more durable, more elegant and more quality doors and windows thanks to the years of experience we have in the PVC sector, in which we excitedly became a part of in 2002. Our main aim is to increase your comfort thanks to our doors and windows suitable for all climatic conditions, leaving the summer heat and the winter cold out. We're carrying out all the processes meticulously, from the selection of raw material to transportation, and we are proudly presenting our products that are processed by a professional team using high-technology equipments. Today, we continue to attribute to the national economy, create employment and add value to our valuable country with our 2 factories, dozens of staff and a broad service network. While we aim to make our country's voice heard in the PVC sector where the competition is high, we are also increasing our trade volume for the Balkans, the Middle East, North Africa and the Turkic republics, and work hard to be the growing brand of growing Turkey. With the awareness that happiness is born in a peaceful environment, we provide peace to your home with our high insulation-oriented, aesthetic and ergonomic design. YAGMURPEN. Open a window to happiness.